Kalkinhun Menteri ke Sorkar jela kala ai ke mynjur ban seng ya ke Meghalaya Teacher Training Academy kum ka Autonomous Society kenang benang penklan bat pentebit hakikam ai hikai na ke benta ki no hikai ban kentiau ya ke jingla ban syakri bat ban pentebit ya ke sap ki phong ki jongki Habakran Syllad patai kubor hadir ngajing penyan ya ka jingalang hak arpun rio trek nai wiang u menteri rangba ka jela ukon rat ki sangma ula ong baka jing terwa ban pentri kam ya ka ni ka society ka ban seng hapo ka Directorate of Education Research and Training DERT kan penlet jingmut ban a hikai pentbin bakerpang syakino hikai haki kerdan bapher Katkum ka jingong ka jong ka Autonomous Society kan penthikna ya kiriu syampang bakin pet kin khmi ya ka jing a hikai bat ka ban ailat ya ka jing penroy ya ka bor ka bakhamla trekam kumbala bu thong ya mentahi ki don buntli ki agency jong ka Sorkar bat ki nong betingka ki bapelong ya ki program ai hikai na ka benta ki nong hikai kata ki baya pher ha ka jing job jing ki program ka weina ka pan Kane ka academy batmai lakmi lenti bakan penbai renti ya kini kijing persyang da ka ba aya ka rensan halur kijing aji kai ki papaka bat ru ban pentik na ban pendan kam ya ka song pisa ha ka rukom ka badai kidon kinong beitingka ki ba beitingka na ka benta ka jing aji kai ki no hikai bat baro kile ya kane hala ka jong ka bor bat ka kerdan ha ka bateng teng kamju ay ka jat jingmi ka bangikwa bat kumta ka we ka society kan pentikna bakan dan ka jingple jingmut haman la ka agency ni man la ki program ki badan hangta la ka jong ka jingbei tingka na ka benta ka jing a hikai ya ki no hikai bat ya ka jing ka shan pisa on pha bet sha ka ni ka society bat ya ka jing a hikai on pelong ha ka kerdan ka batbet da ka society ong ukonran
Proposal for establishment of the Meghalaya Teacher Training Academy as an autonomous society to drive high-quality teacher education, capacity building, and professional development. So this is a society which we are proposing, which will be under the DERT, to basically focus and look at teacher training as its component. And it will be a body and a society that will be run independently in terms of its functioning. There will be professionals in it, and teachers training is a very important part of our exercise to improve the overall education sector. And of course, we require different kinds of trainings for different levels of teachers, and therefore we strongly felt that an autonomous society is required for this particular training to happen. Government departments and agencies have multiple tasks to do, and hence sometimes we are not able to focus on the training aspect. But this society is being created specifically for training, and there are different funding agencies that are there that have funds for training of teachers, and they all do the training at their own capacity, at their own level, which sometimes does not yield the kind of final results that we would want. And hence one society would ensure that the focus is there, and every agency or every program that is there where there is a funding for teachers training, funds will be transferred to this society, and the training will be done at a professional level by this particular society.